You're probably wondering what the best plugin in 2024 is. In this series, we're going to try and find that out, and we're going to start off with Expand. So let's just dive right into it. I got FL Studio loaded up right here. Expand is one of my favorite plugins. It's super CPU friendly. The interface is also really easy to use, and it has like a bunch of sounds and presets. It's super versatile, a lot of sounds, a lot of unique sounds as well. I don't know what we're going to make, but let's just test this plugin out. I've made a bunch of videos before in the past, so you can check that out if you want as well. I'll leave them in the description. One of my favorite folders was the ethnic folder. They got a like super nice sound. This flute right here, you probably recognize it. Super fire, bro. For these like ethnic Spanish guitar, this fits really well. I love the polysynths as well because you can find like some unique sounds in here. So what I'm gonna do is just load up a random sound. A lot of electronic sounds as well. But yeah, it has like a bunch of sounds in here, which I love. Even loops. I never really looked into this section. Okay, that's new to me as well. We're learning as we're making this tutorial. I kind of like this one. It's like, it has like an electronic feel to it. This is really simple. Don't run away yet. What we're going to do right now, drag that into the mixer, and we're going to add some effects to it to spice it up a little bit more. I kind of like where this is going already. I got a couple ideas in mind. Everything from the first section right here is pretty nice. So let's just mess around with Shaper Box. I kind of like this vibe. What we're going to do is copy the same sound over, and we're going to add some extra notes in there. Add some delay to this as well. I love to put this on triplet. Copy that over onto the other preset. And put this one on. Put some EQ on this. You can also add some vinyl to this to give it some like texture. Okay, right now what it needs is like some chords and some like atmosphere, some ambience in there. We switched it up real quick, but that's what it is, bro. Just like make whatever comes to your mind, whatever you're feeling. Don't think too much. Just do type stuff. Yeah, I like this. I'm just going to copy over the same chords as the first sound. We can even add like an ARP to this. Let's add some halftime. Woo! That's crazy. Okay, this is going somewhere. It needs like some other counter melody. So let's just add that. Let's pull up a flute maybe. Let's add Portal to this as well. I want to see if we can make something unique with this. We might just flip the whole melody in just a second, but I kind of like where this is going. The drums finna be crazy as well. I can already hear it. Bro, the drums finna be crazy. Just wait. Like, for example, right here, Galaxy drum kit, dark clap. Yeah. I want to do the kick bounce first just to get some rhythm and then just copy it over onto the 808. That sounds crazy though. What I'm going to do is pitch this maybe down one semitone, the 808s to transpose like that. See how that sounds. I love this. It's super nasty, super dark as well. I love how it's hitting. Expand, super fire, one of my top plugins. I've been using it for the longest. Let me know down below what your favorite plugin is, and let me know which one I should test out next. If you enjoyed and learned from this video, you might like this video as well, so make sure to go check that out.